43% of the web still runs WordPress in 2026. One single WPScan command in Kali Linux can uncover critical CVEs that could own millions of sites worldwide. Imagine spotting that fresh RCE in a popular e-commerce plugin before the hackers do. If you're a penetration tester ready to level up your game and dominate WordPress vuln hunts like a pro, stick around. This 2026 edition WPScan Mastery tutorial is your ticket to elite pen testing. Let's dive in. Hey, Prism Labs crew, welcome back to another deep dive into the world of penetration testing tools. Today, we're mastering WPScan, the ultimate WordPress vulnerability scanner built right into Kali Linux. With 2026 bringing a massive surge in plugin CVEs, like that nasty CVE 2024-2194 RCE hitting over 2 million e-commerce sites, WPScan downloads spiked 40% on GitHub amid supply chain attacks. Unlike those basic tutorials from Hackersploit or NetworkChuck that skim the surface, we're going pro. Full API integration for fresh vuln data, aggressive enumeration, custom word lists, burp suite verification, Metasploit chaining, and even WAF evasion tactics. Whether you're hunting bug bounties or red teaming enterprise WordPress setups, this hands-on guide fills every gap. By the end, you'll scan like an elite pen tester. Grab your Kali VM and let's get scanning. Hit that like button if you're pumped. First things first, let's get WPScan installed and battle ready in your Kali Linux 2026 environment. If you're on the latest Kali rolling release, WPScan might already be there via apt, but for the freshest 2026 CVE database, we always go with the Ruby gem install and API token setup. Open your terminal, update your system to ensure no package conflicts, then grab WPScan from the official repo. Pro tip, sign up for a free WPScan API token at WPScan.com. It's essential for pulling real-time vuln data without hitting rate limits during pen tests. Once installed, run the update command to sync the latest plugin and theme databases, including those urgent 2026 patches. This step alone separates script kiddies from pros, as outdated scanners miss 0 days. We'll verify everything with a version check and API test right after. Trust me, spending these 2 minutes up front saves hours of false negatives later in your engagements. Replace with your real token from WPScan.com. With WPScan primed and API fueled, it's time to unleash it on a target. Let's start with basic enumeration to map the WordPress footprint before diving deeper. Alright, enumeration is your reconnaissance phase. Passive at first to avoid fingerprints, then aggressive for full disclosure. Fire up WPScan with the URL flag pointing to your test target, like a vulnerable WordPress test site. Add your API token with API token your API token to unlock detailed CVE confidence scores. The enumerate flag with VP, vulnerable plugins, and VT, vulnerable themes, will passively fingerprint versions without blasting the server. Watch it detect the WP core version, active plugins like WooCommerce, and flag any known vulns from the 2026 DB. In this demo, it spots an outdated plugin ripe for exploit. Pro pen tester move, pipe output to a file with output for reporting. This baseline scan runs in under 30 seconds, but gives you 80% of the intel needed for prioritization. If WAFs are in play, we'll cover evasion later. For now, revel in those green check marks confirming plugin versions. Now we crank it up to aggressive mode for deep CVE hunting. This is where WPScan shines for pen testers chasing high-impact exploits. Use detection mode aggressive to force version detection even on obfuscated installs, and layer in plugins detection mixed for thoroughness. Target specific 2026 headaches, like that CVE 2024-24644, RCE and e-commerce plugins by enumerating all P plugins and forcing vuln checks. Include WP content dir / custom if the target's hiding paths, common in hardened setups. The API pulls exploit maturity ratings, so you know if it's Metasploit ready. In real pen tests, this uncovers chained vulns, like auth bypass plus SQLE. Always cross-reference with NVD links in the output for POC verification. This workflow beat competitors like the CyberMentor by handling custom configs. Expect 50+ vulns enumerated on bloated sites. Pause here if you're noting commands. We'll demo it live next. Got your CVEs? Next, we breach auth to uncover privileged vulns using CU